This is the front-line model of Hurom's third generation of juicers. It's called the H-AA, and without beating about the bush, this is an amazing product that perfectly showcases Hurom's current technology advances in a simple and compact design. Honestly, this is probably the best juicer you'll find at this price point currently, and it seems that other brands are struggling to catch up. So, you can probably tell already that I like the H-AA. But this isn't down to just my personal feelings, it truly is an amazing feat of engineering. The motor is both powerful and efficient, and it requires only 150 watts of power to make it to rotate at 43 RPM, which is a pretty optimal speed for cold press extraction. The body is also compact and stands at just over 40 centimeters tall. This compact design also allows it to be lightweight, so it comes in at about 4.8 kilograms, making it really easy to pick up and move when you've finished using it. Moving beyond the numbers, the H-AA is a good-looking device. The body has been ergonomically designed, cutting out all wasted space, helping to keep this juicer much slimmer than its predecessors. It's also been heavily tested for durability, and as a result, all of the juicing components are able to handle a lot of stress without showing any signs of damage. This means that they'll be able to last well beyond their warranty coverage of 5 years. The H-AA also excels in the field of versatility. It comes with an additional coarse screen and homogenizing blank, alongside the standard fine screen that you'd expect. Now, the coarse screen provides one new function, and that's to produce thicker juice, something with more pulp and fiber in that has a likeness to a smoothie. The homogenizing blank, however, really adds a lot to this juicer and allows you to make things like sorbets, nut butters, baby foods, pâtés, and quite a lot more very easily. It's quite amazing how much one device can add to your kitchen life. Now, the features I've mentioned do contribute to the capabilities of this device, but they probably aren't enough on their own to make it stand out from the crowd. That's where Hurom's new Alpha technology comes in. This technology has completely reshaped how a Hurom works on the insides. Starting with the auger, which no longer has extended wings. This means that it's no longer required to turn the screen and spinning brush. All of the power given to the auger by the motor is used to extract juice at optimal levels. It's generally more efficient. As a knock-on effect though, the spinning brush and screen have had to be redesigned. The main change here is in the spinning brush, where you can see a set of teeth have been added to the bottom. These can lock into place with a small gear that can be found in the base of the juicing chamber. This gear is powered by the motor and causes the screen and spinning brush to turn. The main perk of this is the gear system slows down the rotation speed, so the brush and screen can actually move at a very slow 17 RPM. Supposedly, this allows the juicer to extract more juice, and it keeps froth levels lower. On top of this, there are a range of smaller changes that have occurred with the design that generally help to improve the juicing experience. The first of these is a semi-transparent hopper, allowing to see your ingredients as you put them in. There's also a cutout in the pulp outlet that just makes cleaning it a lot easier. The juice flap has been redesigned, making it more leak-proof. And finally, the base is curved. And this is basically the equivalent of a handle. You can get your fingers under there, and it's generally a lot easier to pick up the device. The thing with the H-AA is that it isn't all talk. It genuinely provides a pleasant juicing experience from my testing. Now, that new Alpha technology didn't change the way I juice, but it did do its job well. I detected a lot less froth when juicing apples, and to my eyes, it seemed like I was getting a better yield than I would have in past generations. but it's tough to say without a full statistical analysis. On top of this, the tiny flourishes like that semi-transparent hopper just helped to streamline my actions. I did find myself impressed with this one. The cleaning process once I'd finished juicing was pretty standard. The only notable change is that cutout in the pulp outlet, which was actually useful. Props to Hurom for making such a small change, but making it so worthwhile. Overall, the H-AA is a spectacular juicer. One which I'd happily recommend to anyone looking for high levels of performance in a sleek and compact design. It marks a strong movement forward by Hurom, and it could be that other brands are going to struggle to catch up with this one.